Welcome to the SJSU Writing Center. In this video, we'll introduce you to who we are and what we can do for you.
So the Writing Center is a free support service for all SJSU students, and we're here to help you with your writing. We work with students from all disciplines, all grade levels, and during all phases of the writing process. We provide assistance with any piece of writing, whether it be for a class or outside of a class, your resumes, your cover letters. We are not an editing or proofreading service. Instead, we provide a collaborative experience in which both our tutor and student are engaged. Our goal is to help you improve as a writer by teaching you the underlying concepts of writing. All our tutors go through 15 hours of rigorous training to ensure that they are able to help you, and they're especially trained to help multilingual and AAC students.
Our services at the Writing Center include our 45-minute one-on-one tutoring sessions, which can be done in person or online through Zoom. We also have our open labs, which are 20-minute online drop-ins for quick questions you may have about writing. The Writing Center also offers 1-hour instructional workshops on various writing topics, and our original online resources like handouts, videos, articles, blog posts, and more can also be very helpful. These resources are free for anyone, anytime. Just go to our website at sjsu.edu/writing-center. The Writing Center is open whenever classes are in session during the fall and spring semesters, and also during finals, the summer session, and winter session. And the best part is, if you have an SJSU email, you can use our resources right now. Book an appointment through our WCOnline page, which will be linked in the description, and start working on your writing projects. If you need help registering on WCOnline, you can check out our video tutorial. We hope to meet you soon at the Writing Center. Come see us at our table during orientations, or visit the Writing Center at the MLK Library.
Regardless of your major, the Writing Center is a tool here to help you. So make sure you come by.
For more information and updates, you can sign up to our mailing list on our website and also follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.